Right, it's your boy. I'm back again with another video. I'll say good morning, good afternoon, good evening, irrespective of your location. So right here is your boy Salem. So this is your first time on my channel. Please do wait, subscribe, and please turn on the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you will be the first to get notified. So right here, I'm here to give you a quick update on ECOX Network. So if you are mining ECOX Network, so on November 14, they make an announcement that you cannot connect your Echoes, your Web3 wallets to your Echo, or your Echo to your Web3 wallets. So Web3 wallet connection is now on your Echo. So these are just the details on how you can actually claim or connect the wallet. So you can see it. So and other details on this wallet connection so that you can actually claim your token on TG. So when they are getting listed. So this is just all about. You can read here and click it. So let me just click to see. So you click on it, you'll see all the old details. So but I want to bore you with that. I want to go straight to the app so that I can show you how you can connect it directly. So right here is the Echo app, but I'm using the web version. So I'm using the web version because sometimes the app sometimes is being laggy or has some little issues. So this is the web version. So all you need to do, you click right here on the three dots on the left hand corner. So you click on it. So you go to the wallet section. So just go to the wallet section. Look at it, go to the wallet section. So you click on the wallet. So this is just the wallet. So you can see the wallet right here. So you see right here on the upside, say connect wallet, say add your Web3 wallet. So either you can add your BSC smart network, which is BNB smart network, or your Ethereum. So those are your Web3 wallets. So you can add each and every one, or whichever one you like, you can add it. So you click on it. So you can see it right now. So all you need to do, I will add it through my biggest. So I'm adding it to my biggest. So it will connect. So let's just wait. So right now it's loading forever. So all you need to do, I'll copy the link of this web version, then I'll paste it on my biggest wallet to open it there. So that's what I'll do right now. So let me just quickly do it. So I'll cancel this. So right now I've copied the link, so you can see it. I've copied it. Then I'll go directly to my biggest wallet and open it there. So right here on my biggest wallet, so I click on the discovery. So I'll click on the discovery. So I'll go to the app, which is the search button. So I'll click on it. Then I'll paste the link right there. Then open it. So you can see it. So let's just wait. So I'll click on continue. So I'll click on continue. So I'll just keep it. So you log in. I'll put my email login details right now. So you can see it. So I'll share the. So I'll just log in right now. You can see I've logged in my account on my Biggets. So all I need to do right now, I'll go back again to the three dots on the side corner. Then I'll click on the wallet again. I'll click on the wallet again. So I'll connect it right now so you can see it. it says sign in, add your Web3 wallet. So please make sure you do it because this connection of wallet will end in November 20th, I believe December 20th, I believe so. So and it's already trading right now. So investors are buying at a rate of 0.00 0.08. That's the rate right now. So please do wait to connect your wallet. So I'll click on it right now. So I'll add, you can see it. So I'll just say it's connected right now. So you can see my wallet has been linked. You can see my wallet has been linked. So this is just how you can link your Web3 wallet to your biggest to your echoes and network. So this is how you can link it. So if you have any difficulties, please do well to reach out to me on my comment section, or either you can join my WhatsApp group. Very soon, launching my Telegram channel. So I'll be leaving it in the description below. You can do well to join my Telegram. So thank you. So this is where I choose to end on this issue. So please like the video and please share it to your community for them to connect their wallets. So thank you. Peace out.